Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on Motorola Moto G32. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, locate network and internet. Here is a mobile network. Now if you scroll down a bit, you should see data and warning limit. Sorry, I'm misclicking all the time. Again, enter right here and data warning and limit. Now if you want to set data limit, make sure that this one is enabled, and here you can pick how much of a limit you're gonna put on this device. So that you can change between megabytes and gigabytes. When you're ready, click on set, and mobile data limit is set on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.